Hello, my dear Haddie, how are you? Haddie, remember that we miss you a lot and we hope you get well soon, okay? Okay, Haddie, today we're gonna remember about the classroom instructions. So we're gonna look at some slides and we're gonna remember, okay? So this classroom instruction is sit at your desk, please. It means sit at your desk. Siéntate en tu escritorio. Listen.
Sit at your desk, please.
Okay, siéntate en tu escritorio. Next, Haddie. Okay, what this picture means? It means open your book, please. Repeat, Haddie. Open your book, please. Okay, great. Now this is the opposite, right? Close your book, please. Close your book. Okay, good job. Next. What it means this picture? Sacar un lápiz. Sacar, tomar. Take out your pencil. This picture means take out your pencil. This classroom command is take out your pencil. Saque su lápiz. Okay? Okay, this is the opposite. Okay? Put away, guardar. Put away, guardar. Guarde su libro, por favor. Put away your book, please. Okay, good. And the last one. What this picture means. This woman says, pass me a pencil, please. Pass me a pencil, please. Pásame un esfero, por favor. Pass me, pásame, por favor. Okay? Okay, Haddie, good. Haddie, now we're gonna act these classroom instructions, okay? So you're going to listen to me and then you are gonna do you're gonna act the classroom instruction, okay? So, Haddie. Okay. Stand up, please, Haddie. Stand up. Okay, stand up. Okay, Haddie. Now, please, sit at your desk, Haddie. Sit at your desk. Come on. This classroom instruction is sit at your desk. Okay? Don't forget. Okay, now, Haddie, please take out your book. Any book. Take out your book. What's the meaning of the take out? Sacar, ¿cierto? Sacar. Okay, take out. Show me. Thank you. Okay, Haddie, now please open your book. Open your book. That means abrir. Open your book. Good. Excellent. Okay. Thank you. Okay, now do the opposite. Close your book. Close your book. Close your book. It means close your book. Okay? Good job, Haddie. Now, Haddie, put away your book. Put away your book. Means guardar. Okay? Guardar. Put away. Okay. Good job, Haddie. Now, let's continue. Haddie, please take out your pencil case. Take out your pencil case. Saque su cartuchera. Take out your pencil case. Good. Excellent. Now, open your pencil case, please. Open your pencil case. Open your pencil case. Okay, great. Okay, now we're gonna take out some objects. Okay, vamos a sacar algunos objetos. Take out some objects. Okay, please, Haddie, take out your eraser. Take out your eraser. Take out. Saque su borrador. Take out your eraser. Okay, good, excellent. Now, Haddie, please take out your glue. Take out your glue. Look, take out your glue. Excellent. Okay, great. Okay, now take out your pencil. Haddie, take out your pencil, please. Do it. Okay. Take out your pencil. Sacamos. Let's take out. And finally, take out your scissors. Take out your scissors. Sáquelas. Take out. Take out. Take out your scissors. Excellent. Okay, now close your pencil case. Close your pencil case. Good. Excellent. Haddie? Okay, now please pass me a pencil. Pass me. What's the meaning of pass me? Pásame, ¿cierto? Páseme. Okay, pass me a pencil. Imagine that you are in front of me. Imaginemos que estamos cerca, que estamos cerquita y que nos podemos pasar cosas, ¿ya? Pass me a pencil. Okay. Pass me a pencil. Good. Pásame un lápiz. Good. Excellent. Okay, now, Haddie, pass me the glue. Pass me a glue, please. Pass me a glue. Okay, excellent. Good job. Now, pass me an eraser. Pass me an eraser. Pass me an eraser. Excellent. Good. Good job. Okay. Okay. Now, everybody, Haddie, please open your pencil case. Open your pencil case. We're gonna put away our school objects, okay? We're gonna put away. Vamos a guardarlos, ¿ya? Okay. Please, first of all, we're gonna put away our pencil. Put away your pencil. Put away your pencil. Put away your eraser. Put away your eraser. Put away. Good. Now, put away your glue, Haddie. Go. Put away your glue. Go. Put away. And put away your scissors. Put away your scissors. Excellent. Okay, and close your pencil case. And put away your pencil case. Okay, let's put away everything, okay? Everything. Okay, good job. Excellent work, Haddie. Okay, now we're gonna work in our student's book. Vamos a trabajar en nuestro student's book. Okay, I'm gonna erase that. You're gonna help me with this exercise, okay? So we're gonna work in exercise 1, and it says, read and circle the correct pictures. You have 2 pictures on each sentence, okay? So you are going to choose only one picture, the correct one, okay? So in number 1, we have, it says, put away your book, please. Put away your book, please. Okay, what is the correct picture? This or this? Put away, remember, what's the meaning of put away? Guardar, ¿cierto? Put away means guardar. So let's circle this picture. This is the correct one. Okay, good. Okay, number 2. In number 2 says, take out your ruler. Take out is the opposite to put away. If put away means guardar, what's the meaning of take out? Take out your ruler. Lo contrario, sacar, ¿no es cierto? Take out your ruler, not pass me a ruler, ¿no es cierto? So, the correct picture is this. Next, number 3. It says, pass me a pencil, please. Pass me a pencil, please. So, which picture is the correct one? This or this? This is the correct answer. Le está pasando el lápiz. Pass me, okay? So, circle, please. Good, excellent. And number 4, open your bag, please. So, this, what is the correct answer? This or this? Open. This means open, okay? Let's circle Haddie. Haddie, this is all for today. I hope to see you very, very soon. Okay, Haddie? So take care, Haddie, and goodbye. See you soon. Goodbye, Haddie.